Hello everyone, this is Kiki, and if you want to see how I made this beautiful rhinestone set, stick around and find out. Hey everyone, long time no see. So I am going to be making this beautiful rhinestone set for my Etsy site, and it's going to be available in 3 colors. So I'm really excited to share this with y'all today. So we're starting off with some stilettos. These are the long stilettos that I have here, but of course on my Etsy site you can get them in any shape and any size, as long as you know that the price will vary depending on the length and the shape of them. But I'm going to be showing y'all how I made this set. So right now I'm just starting off with the base color. So I'm doing this with polish because I want this color to be as bright as possible. So we doing this mint green color for this set here, and I'm just covering about 2/3 of the way, or maybe like 3/4 of the way if you want to be specific. I'm covering the nails with that, and then I'm going to be doing ombre on top of these. So after I covered these nails with the polish, which I only needed to do like 1 coat because it was so pigmented. And by the way, y'all know I love Madam Glam polishes. So this is part of the Madam Glam polish, and I could put the name up here if y'all really want, or if y'all just don't care, y'all just like, hey, I just want to see you make the set. That's cool too. That's cool. But yeah, so right now I'm just covering the nails with the polish, and then I'm going to cure them under the lamp for 60 seconds. And sometimes I cure them an extra 30 seconds just to make sure that the polish is fully cured, only because I'm going to be putting acrylic over these. So we want to make sure these are as solid as possible. Alright, so after I get done curing the nails, now I'm just adding a clear acrylic base on top of the color just to add some thickness, and also to help make the ombre blend in just a little bit easier. Okay, so after adding all the clear acrylic, now I'm just going ahead and add my nude. Of course, if y'all know me, if you could guess the brand name and the name of the color, and if you're subscribed to my channel and like this video, I might do a giveaway. So that's a possibility here in this channel. I know I don't got a lot of subscribers, but I would love to do a giveaway. So let's just see. But yeah, so I'm using this nude color on all my nails. You can see it blends in just seamlessly. You can't even tell where the nude and the color meets at. And yeah, just making sure that's blending in nicely. Okay, and then the last step to this is I'm just going to add some clear acrylic on top. This is just going to help thicken up the nail a bit and help build the shape, and also is going to help protect that ombre when I start filing and buffing into it. Okay, so after applying all the acrylic, now I'm just gonna file and buff the nails just to make sure that they're nice and smooth. And because these are a stiletto, I'm gonna make sure that that stiletto is stilettoing. So we're gonna make sure that that point is really there. after filing and buffing the nails, this is how they end up looking like once I clean them off really good. You can see that stiletto is nice and pointy. So now we're going to get to the rhinestone part. So I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did on my last video. If y'all saw my yellow set that I did, it was, I think, the pinky that I did, where I put like the big rhinestones on first, and then I filled it in with some small tiny caviar beads, or rhinestones, whatever you call them. I still don't know what they call. I just call them caviar rhinestones. But yeah, so they're really, really tiny rhinestones. So right now I'm just taking some poly gel because that's just what I had on hand. I didn't have any more rhinestone gel, so I'm using that to spread onto the nails, and I'm spreading on as thin as possible because this stuff does get pretty thick. And then afterwards I'm going to apply a top coat on top of it, just to make sure that when I cure the rhinestones that I don't have to wipe anything. This is a non-wipe top coat, so it does not leave a sticky layer behind once you cure it. So that's why I love using this top coat, because it just cuts down less work and it's one less step that I have to do. So yeah, I'm applying that top coat on top, and because the poly gel was pretty thick and lumpy, I did have to wait about at least a good few seconds before it smooths over. So once it starts to smooth and self-level, now I'm just taking the regular A and B rhinestones, and at first I was gonna apply some really chunky ones, but I ended up deciding to change my mind, and I actually ended up doing some smaller rhinestones. And then on top of that, I ended up using some of these like kind of pearlescent, iridescent type of rhinestones that I had, and I went ahead and I applied it onto the nails as well. Okay, so after applying all the rhinestones onto the nails, this is how they end up coming out. I absolutely love the variety of rhinestones that's on the nails. It just every different rhinestone kind of brings out different colors and different reflections. Overall, it just looks gorgeous, and I cannot wait to do other colors for this. I'm thinking of like maybe like neon yellow, maybe a bright pink, or maybe some purple, who knows. But all I know is that this set is going to be available on my Etsy shop, so the link will be down below if you do want to check it out and check out other sets that I have made on this channel as well. And also don't forget to follow me on my other social media pages as well for more updates outside of here on YouTube. But on top of that, if you do like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates. With that being said, I'll see y'all next time on my next one, and y'all have a good one. Bye.